Having learned how to express a number, that is a whole number, in standard form, let us now learn how to convert whole numbers in standard form to ordinary form. So in this example, we are asked to change these numbers from standard form to ordinary form. So A, we have 5 times 10 with the power of 3. And then for B, we have 9 times 10 with the power of 6. Solution. For A, we have 5 times 10 with the power of 3. This means we have 5 multiplied by 1,000. Remember, 10 with the power of 3 is 1,000. Or easily, just put 1 and then the number of zeros that follow being the power. So since we have power of 3, that means we have 3 zeros. Now, when you multiply this, what you get is 5,000. Another way to look at this is that you write the number 5 and then you know that the number of digits that follow is 3 digits since the 10 carries a power of 3. And since there are no other numbers here, so we replace those 3 digits with 0. So we have 5,000. Now for B, we have 9 multiplied by 10 with the power of 6. Now this would mean that we have 9 multiplied by, now 10 with the power of 6, that is we'll have 1 and then 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we multiply this, you easily get 9 times 1 to give you 9, and then the 6 zeros follow. So there we have it. We have expressed these numbers from standard form, changing them into their ordinary form. Thank you.